Get rid of mice. This will keep them away from your home. This way you can get rid of rodents without setting traps or using harmful poisons. This homemade mixture is a natural deterrent for mice and rats. Do mice appear in your home, basement, or garage? Do you not want to see them anymore? Prepare a mixture that will help you get rid of mice and rats. Pour 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is harmful to rodents. Sweeten the mixture with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Take toothpaste and squeeze it onto a spoon. Add that amount to the mixture. The smell of toothpaste will repel rodents, especially if it has a mint scent. Add 1 tablespoon of patching plaster. Pour in 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix everything well and knead it. The flour, baking soda, and plaster mean that if a mouse or rat tries to eat this mixture, at best it will experience stomach pain. This will discourage further visits. A uniform mass will form. Shape it into small balls and place them on a saucer. Put them wherever you have noticed rodent droppings, mice, or rats. Leave this natural repellent in the garage, attic, or basement as well. These small balls will help ensure a home free of mice and rats. Mice and rats run the moment they get close to this. My home is rodent-free, and you don't need to buy any store-bought traps. Grab a whole head of garlic. It has a strong smell that lingers for a long time and works as a natural repellent. Next, take regular wooden toothpicks you probably already have at home. Start sticking them into the garlic one by one. Use a lot of them. The best way is to push toothpicks into each clove from every side. It's a completely natural solution that won't harm plants, pets, or the soil. Wait a few minutes, but that's not all. You can make it even stronger. Take a bowl and pour in about 7 fluid ounces of water. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon because it has a sharp, irritating scent that works as an extra deterrent. Mix everything well until it's combined. Now just pour this over the garlic. The liquid spreads the smell around the garlic and the area nearby, making it work even better. Cinnamon and garlic together create an intense scent barrier that mice and rats can't stand. Place these garlic spikes near entry points, in the basement, along the walls, in the garage, or anywhere you've seen rodent activity. They'll smell it and avoid those areas completely. With this, they stop coming back. And now you know how to drive rodents out of your home quickly and naturally.